Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Thermaltake's CTE T500 Full Tower TG Series. So friend, Thermaltake has announced the launch of the CTE T500 TG ARGB full tower chassis and the CTE T500 full air tower chassis in black and snow version. So friend, the CTE T500 is an E-ATX full tower chassis addition to the CTE Form Factor series and is designed to provide high levels of the thermal performance to critical components, and this chassis features 3 pre-installed CT140 fans and supports up to 420 mm AIO radiator at the front, showing full cooling support. And friend, it has 2 tempered glass panels at the front and left sides, and CTE T500 Air is equipped with a tempered glass left window panel and emphasize on more airflow, and CTE Form Factor design, which stands for Centralized Thermal Efficiency, utilize the 90-degree rotation of the motherboard to create more efficient airflow pathways to critical heat source, and this design allows the CPU and graphics card to move much closer towards cool air generated from the front panel and the rear panel respectively, including independent airflow paths and the cold air intake from multiple directions, and the hot air exhaust at the top side provide optimal airflow for overall cooling. And friend, 3 CT140 ARGB fans pre-installed in the CTE T500 TG ARGB and 3 CT140 fans pre-installed in the CTE T500 Air are Thermaltake's new generation of PWM fans with the speed of 1500 RPM and made with specially turned fan blades that can push the air further. And friend, this series comes with maximum customizability for different types of cooling support, including air cooling, AIO liquid cooling, and custom cooling. And friend, the CTE T500 can house up to 11 120 mm or 140 mm fans in total, as well as support of up to 420 mm AIO radiators in the front, 360 mm AIO radiators at the rear, 120 mm AIO radiators on the top. And this series include fan brackets and pump and reverser bracket for AIO and DIY lovers to install the related components. And friend, on the top of that, the 4 mm thick tempered glass window panel on the left of the CTE T500 enables user to fully display the inner builds and the glorious RGB lighting of the components. And friend, it can support up to E-ATX motherboard, CPU cooler with the maximum height of 195 mm, GPU clearance up to 385 mm in length, and power supply with length of up to 180 mm, and up to 6 2.5-inch SSD or 4 to 3.5-inch SSD, and up to 6 2.5-inch SSD or 4 3.5-inch HDD. And friend, the I/O port include 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 3.2 Gen Type C port, and HD audio ports are placed. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.